rhymes, yeah, they spill from the pen. Stories of the struggle and the places I've been. Light nights in the studio, crafting the beat, turning pain into power, making life so sweet. Like friends come and go, but the real ones stay. Got my crew by my side, riding through, building our empire from the ground up. No matter the struggles, we never give up. It's a hustle and flow, it's a life that I know. Rising from the bottom, watch my fire glow. Dreams in my pocket, goals in my sight. Living every moment, making wrong right. Through the highs and the lows, through the tears and the laughs. Every step that I take, I'm defining my path. From the shadows in the spotlight, making my mark. With the heart of a lion and the soul of the spark. It's the hustle and flow, it's the life that I know. Rising from the bottom, watch my fire glow. Dreams in my pocket, goals in my sight. Living every moment, making wrong into right. Flowing my path like a glow up. This is the pro up. They are the ones that know us. This is the trust us. Back to the top, we're flowing up, and then they're knowing up, and then they're growing up, and then these people know us, and they trust us. Super bad. Here's the best movie. Super rad. Here's the best arcade 80s skate. Flowing my path like a glow up. This is the pro up. They are the ones that know us. This is the trust us.